Hey guys, I'm back. Today I want to bring you a special video that been requested over and over on the channel, and that is how to set up a corner post. Today I want to walk you through the process step by step of how to do this. If it's something that you're interested of learning how to do, I promise you at the end of this video you will know how to set up a corner post by yourself. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, you want to get yourself a hammer and some nails. And all you gotta do, you're gonna get your corner post of some kind and rest it right here. If you're doing this by yourself, one of the easiest way to do it is to get a nail, mark where you mark the height of where it's gonna be, and then I'm gonna show you a little trick. You get your nail, you put your nail right in like that. This way you can use the nail to hold up the corner post as you nail it in place. I'll show you what I mean in a second. See? Hold it up for me right now. So all I gotta do now is put my nail in place. Secure her in place. Boom, bang, bang. Usually I'll put around 4 nails, 2 on each side, to support the corner post. The next thing you want to do, you want to get 2 brick ties. You want to bend them just like so. Bend this one. You're going to bend it just like so, and you're going to put it right down. You're going to put one right over here, and you're going to put one over this side. The reason why we do this, so when we run our line, we're going to have our brick have a 1/4 inch space underneath the bottom here. So that way if you want to parge it, the parging can come right up underneath your brick rather than if you go flush. Then your parging gonna come over, and then the water from the wall gonna run on your parging, and then it's a possibility that, you know, the freeze, the frost and all of that gonna basically damage your parging. So this is the purpose of putting the brick tie here, just so that you have a 1/4 inch hang over on both sides. As you see, I have it over here, and I also have it over this side. After we do that, our next step is to plumb up our corner post. So we have to free this little knob up here, plumb it up, sure she's nice and plumb. Nice and plumb that way. This way we want to come out a little bit. Bang it out, you pull this down, you just tap it out, and then you can tighten it up back in place. Check for plumb. Check for plumb. Once it's plumb, the next thing you want to do, you want to measure from your wall. You want to put your level just like so, and you want to measure. So I put my level just like this, so that way I get the straightness from the wall. I'm trying to get the measurement from the wall, but being as the corner post start right in here, it's difficult for you, or it's impossible for you to get it. So I put my level to use as a gauge or as a template. And now we need to measure 4.5 inches. So right now it's telling me 3.5 inches. I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to achieve the 4.5 inches. Okay, so being as it's 3.5 inches and we need to have it 4.5, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a 1/2 inch plywood right in here. Just gonna nail this in place so this way it don't move from where we put it. Once here it's project out more, we can go back and plumb it, and we should have the measurement that we want to have. Now we're gonna re-plumb it up again. We have to put our level. We have to bring this one out. Right there is perfectly plumb. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the bottom one back up again. Check for this side. We also want to do the same thing over here. We also can measure up top here. Gonna put our level right across, that way we can measure. We need to do the same thing over here as well. So one of the reasons why we have to add a little, maybe a half an inch to our corner post is because of the, as you see, we have a hangover. This is our concrete ledge. The wall itself projects over around an inch. So we have almost an inch, 3/4 of an inch. This should be back in 3/4 of an inch, and then we wouldn't need to use this. We could just go ahead and use our brick ties. But because this wall hung over 3/4 of an inch, we need this space because we need to have a breathing space behind the wall, which is half an inch breathing space from the wall, from the edge of the wall, and we need to have at least 3/4 breathing space at the back of the wall here, so that way the wall can breathe. So in order to have that, if we were to go with what we have right now, then the brick would almost flush up right onto this wall. So we have to bring this out in order to achieve that. So that's the reason why we use this this piece of ply rather than use the brick tie that I showed you earlier. So now that I put the piece of plywood, we have to go back to and we have to plumb it, make sure it's 100% plumb. Now it's telling me that you want to come out a little bit. Just gonna check for plumb again. Beautiful. We just tighten this bad boy up. Now we can just go ahead and take our measurement again, just to check to make sure we have the same measurement that we want. Right now it's perfect where we want to have them. Beautiful. So this is how it's supposed to be. So from here on, we're going to put a line block right onto our corner post, string it right down to where our wall going to be, and over that side we're going to put a 45 nail, come right over to our corner post. That way we can make sure that that side is square with this side. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't go away. Watch one of those videos, and I'm pretty sure you'll learn something from it. Thank you. Be safe out there.